So hello guys, welcome to Akash the Tech Enthusiast. In today's video we are just going to try to gain, or you can say we can try to recover the password of. So let's jump into the video without wasting time. Okay, so this is my machine basically. Okay, मैं इसको clear कर लेता हूँ. I have already logged in into level 23 Bandit Lab. These are the permissions that we have. Let's read it out what it says. Level goal: a program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. Look in this path for the configuration and see what command is being executed. There's two notes available for us, note 1 and note 2. So note 1 says this level requires you to create your own first shell script. This is a very big step and you should be proud of yourself when you beat this level. Of course we are. In note 2, keep in mind that your shell script is removed. Once executed, you may want to keep a copy around it. So there is a time-based job scheduler ongoing on regular intervals. So we have to just look into this to see its configuration and what command is being executed. So let's jump into the practical without wasting time. So let me copy this path from here once. Let me copy it. Let me try to. I have to look around for 24. So this is the 24. Okay, so all right, cat, I'm just using this command. So this is the cron job. We have to look. So this is a job which is rebooted on this interval. Let me copy from here, cat paste. So this is the command basically that is being executed. This is the bin bash command. Basically it's a shell script, of course. So my name is who am I. This is the path, and what is listening, it's listening, executing and deleting all scripts in this folder. Before going further, let me do one thing. Let me try to check who am I. It's Bandit 24. Let me try to change name. My name is Bandit 24. So before going further, it says executing and deleting all scripts in this folder. So we're not supposed to create any of thing in this folder because it will execute and delete. Let me do one thing. Let me create a script in temp directory like this. I'm just going to do permission, going to full permissions, so that I once my script is generated, so that I'm be able to access post that. So I did that. Let me check. Okay, so this is the command to check the permission. Okay, not this one. ls -la/akash. I forget to put temp here. So we do have a full permissions, as you can see. This is the full permissions we do have. So let's do one thing. Let's jump into the directory. So I'm into this directory, ls-la. Okay, all right. We do have a full permission. Being a root, being a user, we do have a full permissions. All right. We have to create a shell script here, as you can see. It says you have to create a own shell script. So for the shell script, I'm just copying this bin bash from here. I'm just going to type nano get the sh. I'm just hitting enter, paste this here. This password I have to copy. Basically this is the file location from where I have to copy the password, and this is the location I want to the password saved. So I'm just saving this. Okay, so this has been saved. Let me get.sh here. So this is my own shell script basically, and what I have to do is I have to just okay, for permission I have to give for this I have to give permission so that it will execute it. So chmod plus x get.sh, permission granted. Now what I have to do is I have to just copy this file into this directory. So I'm just copying this entire folder from here. I'm doing cp. Okay, so cp get.sh, pasting the entire command here as it's already copied. So cat and the underscore password.txt fingerprint. Okay, I forget to put the dot here. So see, this is the password basically. So this is the way you can recover, or you can say you can gain the password. So let me clear all the stuff and exit, go into 24. Pasting the password. Let me check the password if it is correct or not. Okay, wonderful. As you can see, I am at Bandit 24. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, so please do subscribe my channel, do hit the bell icon for more updates about cybersecurity, about penetration testing. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye bye.